Night in Judah. Yeah. We're gonna be 1 block away.
Oh yeah, then the ends there, and then the 43 and 44.
Correct. And you are from Ohio. Wow. Hello. Welcome to California. Come on.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's hard to see sometimes.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Okay, 7 minutes.
Yeah, a couple of blocks too. Cool.
Yeah, we still have to go through, the light rail.
Oh yeah.
Human element, we could make more money.
Yeah. See myself up the street.
I know.
Yeah, it's been there a few times.
Playoff baseball underway. A live update
Yeah.
in a minute.
So yeah, it's come most on maps over the years. Like service mostly downtown's heavily concentrated downtown, financial, North Beach, but everything else is kind of. It's still pretty good, just not. But good spacing.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Same with the Owl Network too. Really.
Yeah, the Owl Network. I will tell you this: if ever I live here in San Francisco, I would really love to live. Oh, hold on.
Yeah, I wish they looked before.
No, I actually, I already looked. I already looked. That's why I said, hold on.
No,
Okay.
Well, that
Oh, someone got a ticket. Someone got a ticket. Okay, 5 minutes.
Oh yeah.
People convicted of simple marijuana possession. CBS News Time 1:15.
I've got people in San Rafael start crossing the street, ask the light turn screen for me, like right on purpose, trying to.
Jesus.
Yeah, this is very annoying.
Yeah, annoying, sure, but then what do you do?
Yeah.
Okay, we need the green. Come on, people.
Yeah.
If we miss this one, we're gonna wait for another 40 minutes.
Home run for Jose Ramirez, and that's all they would need. The Guardians, if the Guardians win tomorrow's game, they move on to the next round. Game 1 between the Philadelphia Phillies and St. Louis Cardinals is underway in St. Louis. That game is currently in the bottom of the 7th. We also have the Seattle Mariners and Toronto Blue Jays, which just started moments ago. The Mariners have an early 1-0 lead in the top of the first, and then in the evening we'll have the San Diego Padres in New York to face the Mets. On to basketball. Look at the video released of the altercation between Draymond Green and Jordan Poole. According to ESPN, the Warriors are taking
there used to be a parking lot next to Jamba Juice. They made Jamba Juice bigger.
They are aggressively investigating both the incident and the release of the video. If you want to watch the video,
yeah, remember they used to have a farmer's market right where that wall is now. Yeah.
Come on. Thank you. All right, let's go. Make a run. Oh, whoa.
Yeah, a lot of southern stuff.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
All right, there it is. There it is. There's the bus.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, if we cannot find parking here, we're gonna have to do it elsewhere. Or this will be like a rush job. No, I don't want to do a rush job.
Yeah, so
don't do a rush job. I'll tell you. We're gonna have to find a way to find this bus.
Oh yeah. Oh wow, it's real. No space.
Okay, so now I'll have to find the path for this bus.
Yeah, I know it goes up to Lawton.
Yeah, go up to Lawton. Yeah, makes a right on Lawton. No. Okay, this is only Kirkham.
Yep. Yeah, just one more block.
From abortion to inflation, the issues in elections across the country have far-reaching implications for the Bay Area. We're breaking them down on the home stretch on the new original political podcast. Reporter Doug Stauber. Each week I'll talk with a range of experts to give you a no
we're within 2 minutes of the bus departure.
Oh.
Okay, so right turn on Lawton. See if we can find parking side here, because this would be a stop for the 66.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Find one. So I would really love to see that bus pass.
I think on this block, yeah. Oh yeah. The stop sign. Yeah.
No, not that one. Maybe a bit further.
Yeah.
Or you can, you could park on the opposite side, and then, I wouldn't mind.
Oh yeah.
Or actually,
Yeah.
right here.
Yeah.
Right here, next to the tree. It's perfect. Oh, although be very careful. Yeah, be very. This would be good.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, we're gonna see that bus now. Whee! Okay, this will be quick. Bring your phone, and then we're gonna.
Oh yeah.